I am Amrish Srivastava, psychiatrist. I work in the field of mental health education and I am author of the book Science of Success. In this book, I have tried to discuss psychological aspect of success and achievement. Everybody knows that psychological aspects are involved in the process of becoming successful and achieve something. But generally people do not pay attention to it. They do not really know what exactly to do in terms of psychological aspect. You may be hardworking, intelligent, having all the resources, but you may still not succeed. Why does it happen? It's a matter of great concern, because a large number of meritorious people remain outside the mainstream of society. People have divided this world into two. One, those who succeed and those who do not. This is a very unfortunate way of looking at them. Success is not far away if you pay attention to what is the cause of success, what is going on behind the process. Success by itself is a psychological process. Not only this, there are three other aspects involved in discussing success and achievement. One, many people who do not succeed want to know what exactly goes on. Why has this happened? And if this has happened, what to do next? And the third question they are facing is people who have not succeeded. They face a lot of psychological trauma. And it is important to know how to deal with that trauma, because number of times it presents with severe depression, anxiety, and even suicidal ideas. All of us, we know about it. But we also have to know how to deal with these problems. You need to be aware. You need to be able to identify what are the factors which are involved with this, how to recognize the signs and symptoms of these psychological trauma, and try to help the students and young adults.